Add sum of values of two lists into new list. I have the following two lists. Now I want to add the items from both of these lists into a new list. Output should be
The zip function is useful here, used with a list comprehension. If you have a list of lists, instead of just two lists,
from docs. Default behavior in numpy.add, numpy.subtract, etc., is element-wise, which outputs
Assuming both lists A and B have same length, you do not need zip, numpy or anything else. Python 2.x and 3.x